In January 2025, the OnePlus 13 made its way to North America. We are about to unbox the Midnight Ocean color, aka the blue one. One of the first things that you're going to notice when you unbox a OnePlus phone is you're going to see some things that you don't normally see. Aside from the product documentation, the SIM card removal tool, and the little USB adapter to transfer your data, inside of the box you'll also find a power adapter. Now, the power adapter works best when paired with the included USB-C to A cable, but this is such a generous feature. Also, on the screen of your OnePlus 13, you'll find a screen protector on the phone already. Now, the blue edition has a different back texture, this vegan-style leather on it. Each of the different colors have a different finish on the back, so consider that when you're choosing which phone you most want. There's lots to say about this phone, so I'm going to give you the quick overview, but for the more in-depth analysis, check out my website, geekingout.ca. So the OnePlus 13 has an amazing camera system on there. It looks like there's 4 cameras. One of those things is a sensor, but 3 incredible cameras with some AI-assisted digital zoom, which is just phenomenal. Another unique selling feature about this phone is its level of water resistance. Now, I don't think that you're going to put your cell phone in a dishwasher at any point, but you potentially could. The water resistance protects it from water, but also water jets hitting it from a couple different directions. It also has something called Aqua Touch. So if there's little dots on your screen of water, you'll still be able to swipe and use your phone screen like you would. Or if you live in a cold climate, you can potentially swipe around using your gloves, depending on how thick they are. The display on this thing is absolutely beautiful. Battery life is great. Charging time is short. This is such an impressive Android phone. If you've never really given OnePlus a chance before, this is the time to take a second look. Let me know what questions you have about this phone in the comments section.